Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about a very important component named as a diode. A diode is defined as a two-terminal electronic component that only conducts currents in one direction. An ideal diode will have a zero resistance in one direction and infinite resistance in reverse direction, which means this diode will pass current in only one direction, and the direction in which this diode will pass the current will have a zero resistance, and the direction in which this resistance will not pass a current is a infinite resistance. Okay, so if you will see this diode, there is a black and silver spot on this surface. So the surface which is having a black side, and this terminal is said to be a P side, and this silver terminal is said to be a minus side. So this is a diode which is also called as a PN junction diode and is having a P end and a N end. When the current passes from this side to this side, which is P to N, is said to be a forward bias, and only in this direction the current will pass. But when the current will have to pass from this direction to this direction, which is from N to P, the current will not pass. So to observe this working of diode, we will have to make a simple circuit. For that we need resistor, LED and some wires. Just fold the wire of these terminals like this. Okay. Now make a simple circuit first of all, then add diode after that. I have already put the positive and negative in the breadboard. Now let's start making a simple circuit. I am going to keep this LED over here on the breadboard. Now I am having a resistor. I am using this resistor from positive terminal because if I will not use the resistor, my LED may get fuse. Like this. Revise again, the plus side should be on this side because I am using the resistor on the positive terminal of the LED. Okay. Now you have to join this for making a simple circuit. So what I have to do, I have to join simply this wire from here to here. Okay, this is a simple circuit. Now I have to add a diode now. So what I will do, I will just leave this wire like this. Now I'll join the positive terminal with the negative of this terminal of the battery, so that the positive side of this battery will be from here to here, and our diode will be in the forward biasing. Okay. Okay, I have inserted my diode. Now let's check it by making a simple circuit. See, my LED is glowing because I have used this diode in the forward bias. This is positive, this is negative. Okay. Now what will happen if I will reverse the diode, which is the reverse bias? Let's see, I am going to reverse this terminals. Okay, I have just reversed it. Now just add it via, see, my LED is not glowing. So what we can say, that when the diode is used in the reverse bias, it will not allow the current to flow through it, and it produces an infinite resistance to the circuit, so that LED is not glowing. But if I am using this diode in the forward bias, then the LED is glowing, means forward bias of the diode allows the current to pass through it. Hope you understood the concept of diode. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.